Today I'm going to show you how to send big files through Outlook. Alright, so we are now in Outlook. We want to send a file. It's a very large file, so this is how we do it. We go up over here, okay, and this is normally where you will find what your email looks like, your new email. We want to go to insert and we want to click on attach file, click on browse this computer, look for the file that you want. You'll see now that this window pops up. Quite easily you can click on upload and share as a OneDrive personal link. The other option is to go into Google Drive and upload it to a Google Drive, copy that link and send the actual link. Either which way, it's going to be added as a link. It's going to be uploaded to your storage in either Google Drive or OneDrive, and the recipient of this email will be able to click on that. They'll be redirected to the appropriate drive and they can view, download, edit or comment on that large file, and then you'll be able to have that sent again or whatever else needs to be done to it. But the way to do this essentially is uploading it to a drive.